Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Check this out. Revision CV extended grips for the NAA revolver. North American Arms 22 LR. I hated these little ones. You can only get one finger on the gun. Just doesn't feel right. Got these ones for $60, I think. $61. Came fast, 3-4 days. Very good made grips. I do note that if you do get them from Revision CV, this is a big plus. Adding the little shim right here before you put the grips on. These could come loose if you don't. Not saying they will. These are the stock ones here. Also comes with a bolt and a little shim to go on the bottom down here to keep these together. Way better than stock. Came packaged well. Awesome grips. Can get 2 full fingers on there comfortably. Before you could get 1, maybe 1.5. This just feels a lot better. And if you give me 1 second, I'll show you what it looks like in the holster. Boom. There you go.